4 tips to create your ideal space for partner dance. If you've ever wondered how to set up a quick and effective space to guarantee a great practice, this is it, and it's coming right up.
There's a wind and it's blowing. There's a current that's running deep. I can't see, but I know it. That something's not what it's meant to be. Hearing brother against brother now. Anger grows on.
Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. I'm Aldon from DanceSystems, and I'm here to help you learn modern partner dance to your favorite music. After teaching people for thousands of hours, I've developed a methodology called DanceSystems, which helps people learn how to partner dance in a very effective and very quick way. Let's get into the detail. We're going to be covering the 4 tips to create that ideal dance space for partner dance. And then at the end of it, I'm going to give you my absolute bonus tip that brings it all together and makes it all doable in a very easy way. My first tip is the space, the size of the space. So I would recommend 1.5 meters by 1 meter. So that is a rectangle as a minimum. Ideally, if you've got 2 meters by 1, that will also be absolutely fine. Guys, once you've got the size sorted out, next thing is to consider the actual floor surface. Now, obviously you're going to use what you have, but I would recommend, if you can, to dance in different surfaces. And the reason for that is when you're out dancing, you can't really dictate what the floor is going to be like. So whether it be a carpet, a wooden floor, a concrete floor, it really doesn't matter. But what I would say is, number 1, you don't want it to be slippery and you want to have an even surface. Point 3 is sound. Really important. So when you're listening to instructional videos like this, it's important to obviously hear the instructions as clearly as possible. But also when you're using the DanceSystems follow along videos, it's really great to hear the music. Now, I'm also producing music in high quality sound, so the better your speaker, the better the experience is going to be for you. Also in dance, it's so important to be able to hear the beats clearly so you can step on the beats. So my advice is use the best sound or the best speaker that you possibly have. The 4th point, before we get on to my secret bonus tip, will be the display. How do you actually watch the content? And my recommendation would be on the biggest, best screen you possibly have, whether it be a TV, a tablet, or even a laptop, but something that you can position and see the content easily, especially if you're practicing with a dance partner. You have to let your dance partner also be able to see the screen at that time. And this works brilliantly for not just content videos like this, but for the follow-along videos that I've created. And now for the big moment, the bonus tip. Guys, the most important thing is whatever you do in your dance space needs to be really, really easy or quick to set up. If there's things to move, for example, move the couch or move a chair or whatever it is that you need to do, I would really recommend that it shouldn't take you more than a minute to actually set up your dance space. So if you've got something set up that you can just use, would be absolutely first prize. But if you have a space where you need to move stuff around in order to get going, please make sure that it's a very quick, easy experience for you. That way it will ensure you'll get onto that dance practice, which is absolutely key for your dance improvement. So now that you've got your dance space sorted, why don't you follow along with my next clip, which will show you how to start your dance journey in style. So that's where we really cover clothing, shoes, and everything else to really set you up for dance partner success.